If you use chess.com often, managing your notifications can make your experience a lot cleaner and less distracting. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage your notifications on chess.com so you can choose what matters most and turn off what you don't want. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open chess.com in your browser and log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're on the main page, look to the bottom left corner and click the Settings gear icon. This is where chess.com keeps your account preferences, including notification controls. After the Settings page opens, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Notifications. This will take you directly to the Notification Management section. Here, you'll see different notification categories that you can control based on what you want to receive. You may see options for new messages, friend requests, comments on content you follow, new posts on your feed, someone you follow posting, and even when a contact creates an account. Take your time and review each option carefully. If you want fewer alerts, turn off the categories you don't need. If you want to stay updated on social activity, leave the important ones enabled. This is especially helpful if you want to reduce email clutter or avoid too many app alerts while still staying connected to the parts of chess.com that matter to you. As you go through the list, think about how you use the platform. For example, if you only care about game-related updates, you may want to keep important message notifications on and disable social notifications. If you like following friends and community content, you can keep those alerts active instead. The nice thing about chess.com notifications is that you can customize them to match your own preferences. Once you've made your choices, your settings should update automatically, so there's usually no extra save step needed. Still, it's always a good idea to double-check that the toggles reflect the changes you want before leaving the page. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage your notifications on chess.com. You can come back to this menu anytime to adjust your settings again as your needs change. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.